Immatriculation?
You mean plate number?
Yeah.
I do have, because it fell off. The back one fell off.
Afternoon and good evening according to the time where you are, and welcome to Andrew Frier in northern part of France. So this is where I lodge. So right now let's go and see Aseyori, because last night I have to cover it when it started raining. So let's see if it's doing fine. Bonjour. Yeah, it's there. Still doing fine there. So let's go for breakfast. Plan to have a lot of carb because it's going to be a long day. So I got myself granola, orange juice, cappuccino, and egg omelette, bread, French bread, and croissants. So
Alright guys, let's go. Come on, we can do it. Oh, it was nice to be at that hotel. The staff there were so kind, and the people I met on the way there lodging, they were just asking me my bike, where did I got it from? Because they said it's really beautiful. So I was just telling them, and they were asking me, where am I going with it? And I told them I'm going to South Africa. They said, wow, I must really enjoy the road with this. I said, yes. So it was nice to stay at that hotel, and people were so kind. Really fantastic. I really slept very well. So this is what it is. Just need to keep going. Okay. First thing I need to do now is to refill the tank. And my plan today is to ride about 300 kilometers towards down south of France. But at the moment I'm in northern part of France, so we'll see how far I can go. But the rules is I will ensure not to ride when it is dark. So let's continue. Fuel is sorted now. I have full tank, so we can start going. The fuel is a bit expensive now at the moment in northern part of France, which is like €2 per liter. In the UK, we still have fuel cost of £1.70 per liter. So this is what it is now. Goodbye, northern part of France. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Two stream. Can I call it river? Two rivers. Old train track. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, the windy road. Just loving it. Okay. What a beautiful stone. White stone. Wow. All this area is just full of white stones. Really beautiful. Just pure white stones. Wow. Guys, I decided to be pushing forward because the plan was to complete 200 kilometers a day, and the hotel that I supposed to lodge, or when I completed the 400 kilometers, right, all the areas, the hotel were above my budget. Then I decided that I just have to push a little bit forward, so to move to the next city or town, which is what I'm doing right now. I just keep going and going. So come on, Aseyori, you can do it. Let's keep going. Alright guys, here I just popping into McDonald's now. Maybe I can find something to eat. Like I said earlier, that I just need to keep pushing. And also I check if I could find a hotel where I can stay around this place. There's no nearby hotel, so just have to keep going. Unfortunately, McDonald's has closed. When I got here, they have closed already, so just think like I need to top up fuel, because there is a scarcity of fuel in France. So the best thing is to just to refuel. All right, guys, let's go. Now we are full tank. At the moment, fuel is 2 euros per liter in France. At least the good news is I have fuel. There is no queue. Other places there are queues at the petrol station. So that could be because this is early in the morning. This is 5:05 in the morning. So let's go. So next thing I'm gonna do is to make sure that I look for sportswear or art shop where I can grab myself a new pair of gloves. That's motorcycle gloves, because the one I'm using, it cannot withstand the cold at all, and I still have stretch of Spain to go through before crossing into Morocco, so I can't risk my fingers any longer. So it's really cold to the bone. So first thing this morning is to look for the gloves. Unfortunately, Decathlon don't have any hand gloves I can use. They said they ran out of hand gloves, which is quite strange. I even asking for the ski hand gloves. They don't even have. Those one they have, they are tiny one. The one I have at the moment, even though the garden gloves that I'm managing right now, still better than the one they have in store there. But anyway, so I'll keep going, and hopefully before the end of today I will find the gloves to use, because this morning cold was so much. But hopefully the weather will be fine from what I can see. So let's keep going. first direction. Alright. Just thinking on checking my battery. The sat nav is not charging, so just need oh, okay, see this one? Okay, yeah, it's this one. Hello, sir. Excuse me. Hi. What? I'm from England.
Turn off.
Okay, turn off. Alright.
Vous parlez français?
No.
Vous parlez anglais?
Yeah, English. Yeah.
Okay. You don't have immatriculation?
You mean plate number?
Yeah.
I do have, because it fell off. The back one fell off.
You must have your immatriculation on your vehicle.
Yeah, I have, but I'm looking for where to fix.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have, hold on.
You can't take the national.
Yeah, I've been to, I went to the Catalan.
Yeah.
I went to Super U. They don't have something. Let me.
Yes, but in France, with this vehicle, you can't take the national. National.
Oh, okay. You mean?
It's not possible with your vehicle. It's a very dangerous.
Okay. Oh,
You understand?
okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Because I think no motorway.
No.
On this, no motorway.
Non, non, c'est bon. Ok. Ok, monsieur. National, not possible. D'accord?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Today has been really hectic for me because I missed my way, so I was following the wrong path for almost 30 kilometers before I realized that I was in the wrong path. So when I have to make a U-turn, so when I make the U-turn, I was stopped by the Spanish police, although they are very nice, but however, it is what it is. So I just managed to pull up at Hotel Masila, which is where I am now. So this is my room. As soon as I came here, I just started. Let me show you guys. This is where I am now. I'm a little bit tired right now. Just need to go to bed, and it's getting dark already. So just quickly put my stuff out and let me show you around. It's really nice hotel here. So really beautiful. So these are the bathroom and the toilet together. Oh gosh, let me go and take a break. Guys, if you love what you are watching, please subscribe, click likes, share, and see you at the next episode.
Many thanks for watching to the end. Please feel to subscribe and follow the new series of Epic Riding with my bike.